Alright, so I just did that video showing the bike running, revving. I said I didn't like the way it was revving and then slowing down, coming back down from rev to idle. As soon as I got off the bike, turned it off, here, the carburetor slide is stuck again. It's not returning. I'm going to take everything apart again, but I think that stupid slide and that stupid carburetor just, I don't know, I worked on it once today. It was stuck when I started the day. It was stuck when the bike came in here originally. Now it's stuck again. So I'm going to pull the carb apart, clean the slide again, maybe clean out the throat. I don't like the way the throttle feels. I'll do some work on that. All in all, not happy with the way the carburetor is returning to idle. So I'm going to work on that now.